English Class, 9 PTB Unit 8. The Impact of Globalization on Culture and Economy. Questions in the text. Question number 1. What does digital globalization refer to based on the introduction? Answer. Globalization refers to the process by which countries, economies, and cultures become interconnected through digital communication technologies. Question number 2. How does globalization facilitate labor mobility? Answer. Globalization facilitates labor mobility by creating job opportunities in different countries, making it easier for people to travel, work, and share their skills across borders. Question number 3. How does globalization contribute to cultural exchange? Answer. Globalization spreads ideas, food, dress, music, and languages across borders. It promotes cultural exchange, understanding, and harmony among nations. Question number 4. What are some educational opportunities created by digital globalization? Answer. Digital globalization provides access to online courses, virtual classrooms, international research, and global learning platforms. Reading and critical thinking questions. Question number 1. What is globalization and how does it promote economic growth? Answer. Globalization is the process of worldwide interconnection in trade, communication, culture, and technology. It promotes economic growth by increasing trade, investment, innovation, and sharing of knowledge among countries. Question number 2. How has globalization impacted Pakistan's economy in terms of trade and investment? Answer. Globalization has expanded Pakistan's exports, attracted foreign investment, and improved industries. It has also created competition for local businesses. Question number 3. What are some of the new job opportunities created in Pakistan as a result of globalization? Answer. As a result of globalization, new job opportunities include IT services, freelancing, call centers, online businesses, digital marketing, and export-related industries. Question number 4. What is cultural exchange and how does it benefit people? Answer. Cultural exchange is the sharing of traditions, languages, food, and arts among nations. It benefits people by promoting tolerance, mutual respect, and global understanding. Question number 5. What concerns are raised about the preservation of traditional Pakistani culture in the context of globalization? Answer. Concerns raised about the preservation of traditional Pakistani culture include the decline of traditional values and local languages, Western lifestyle influence, and weakening of cultural identity. Question number 6. How has globalization expanded access to information for students? Answer. Globalization has expanded access through the Internet, e-books, online libraries, and international research, enabling students to gain knowledge instantly from around the world. Question number 7. How does learning about diverse perspectives benefit students? Answer. Learning about diverse perspectives makes students more open-minded, tolerant, creative, and better prepared to solve global challenges. Question number 8. How can understanding globalization help the young Pakistani students contributing to their country's future? Answer. By understanding globalization, students can develop modern skills, compete in global markets, start innovative businesses, and represent Pakistan positively at the international level. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, Sam T Entertainment.